Is soft washing safe for children and pets? It's worth making sure that the chemicals used to soft wash your home are environmentally friendly and are safe for children and pets. A great idea is to choose a roof cleaning company who has undertaken world-class training from a leading authority such as SoftWash Systems. Employees can receive industry-leading training and certification to prove they are competent. It is advisable to keep pets and children indoors during the roof cleaning process itself. However, as soon as the cleaning is complete, they can be allowed to go back outside. A reputable roof cleaning company will ensure all areas are rinsed down thoroughly once the roof cleaning has been completed. They should ensure your plants, grass, trees and shrubbery have been given a good drink of fresh water, as well as feeding the aerobic bacteria in the root of the plants to ensure they stay healthy, because detritus falling off the roof can cause harm to plant life. A reputable roof cleaning company will ensure all areas... Shall we just leave the dog? Because I can't. He just won't. He's being a...
Yeah.